Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So for example, let's say you want this as your ringtone. Alright, so all I'm going to do is simply tap on the share button, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on copy link. So once you have copied the link, you're simply gonna go ahead and open any browser on your phone, and you're simply gonna search for TikTok to MP3 like I'm doing, and you're simply gonna go ahead and tap on the first link, and here you want to simply go ahead and paste the link that you have copied and simply click on download. And now down here you're gonna get some options. You're simply gonna tap on download MP3, cancel the ad, and what it's gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and download the audio file for you. So if you check, here's the audio. And now if I go ahead into my files and go to downloads, you can see I have already downloaded this audio. And so in order for me to go ahead and make it a ringtone, all I'm going to do is go on settings of my phone, and once I've done that, I'm gonna scroll down until I see sound and vibration. I'm gonna tap on sound, and on the top right you can see there is a ringtone button right over here. Once you have tapped on that, simply tap on choose local ringtone, and now go to file manager, and you can simply go ahead and set it as your ringtone right over here. Just select it and tap on OK, and there you go. Now you can simply tap on apply and it will be set as a ringtone. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.